Hey, what's going on, guys? JPRK31 here. I am back with another break. This time I'm opening a Panini Contenders 2018-19 Basketball Blaster box. This one you're supposed to get 40 cards per box and 5 packs per box and 8 cards per pack. So it's only 40. You are guaranteed to get I won't say memorabilia card, but it says find one autograph or memorabilia card per box, but more than likely it's a memorabilia card. And there's supposed to be 2 Blaster exclusive parallels plus 5 inserts per box. And if you get lucky enough, you get this ultra rare Contenders Optic Preview. And here are the, I don't know if you can see that, but those are the inserts that you can get out of this blaster box. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. I'm excited to open a basketball product again. Can't wait for Panini Optic to come out, I think at the end of the month, and then we'll get that. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have a first up the line product for Optic, so I hope I can get into that and get some boxes. I also saw Panini Crown Royale. If the price is right, I might just grab a box of that one too, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. Alright, go ahead and open this again. 8 packs, 5 packs, and 8 cards per pack. So here we go. Should be a quick break. Alright. First time I'm gonna see Contenders. And they do have a Panini Contenders College, but this is like the pros, so here we go. That's what the base looks like. And the hobby has been out for a while, so season ticket Kyrie, Dwight Howard was not played any game this season. Well, he has played, but he's got injuries. Front row seat Alonso, I can shoot the 3 ball. Melo has not played as a Rocket, and Kevin Love was also injured. Guys, if you have time, please subscribe to my channel. As always, I do greatly appreciate it. I have the subscriber giveaway that's running right now. I think we're at like 115 to 35 subs to go before we can give that away, and I'm sure we can get there for the end of the month. It's still early. I think it's the 2nd week of January, so we have time. Alright, continue on. Base, Larry Markman, and it's a nice insert of Kevin Durant, block shots, and it's like a gold foil, but it's not numbered, and this are all base. I think I didn't open Contenders last year, so I'm opening it now. Base, and oh, that's a nice card. Drop lottery ticket of Marvin Bagley. That's a nice card right there. Not numbered, but it's a pretty nice inserts. I'm wondering what's the Blaster exclusive parallels. Maybe that's the one. It's not colored, and this is not Optic or Prism, but you know me, I like colorful cards, so shiny cards. This is more like a glossy type, but it's a typical card. Lou Williams, Paul Millsap, Kemba Walker, Al Horford, and Rookie of the Year Contenders, Dante DiVincenzo. Base. Not bad for the base cards. And here we go, last pack, and this is going to have our, more than likely this is a, and let's go get all this. So base, Sad Thomas, I have not played also, and here we go. Let's see who this one is. And the card is... Oh, look at that. Luka Doncic. And I got a Paul Pierce too. This is a rookie dual ticket of Jalen Brunson and Luka Doncic. Not bad, not bad. And we got Luka. Luka seems to be the top rookie for this year. Unless Aiton or another rookie bounces back. But let me just go ahead and... if we're going to get like a jersey card, it would have been him. And Bronson's playing well too, kinda. And I got like a green Paul Pierce winning ticket, so it's a PC for me, so it's a pretty good box. Alright guys, like I said, please do subscribe to my channel. Click on that subscribe button, I really appreciate it. So good luck on your breaks and thank you so much. Good luck. Okay, bye bye.